A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just share this one row repeat crochet pattern with you. It's a really lovely pattern for a blanket, and I'm just using an 8-ply or worsted yarn and a 7mm crochet hook. And I'm using a 7mm crochet hook because I crochet quite tightly. 6 or 6.5mm crochet hook will be just as good. So I'm just going to start off by leaving a thread of yarn, and then I'm going to make my slip knot. And for this pattern we need a multiple of 6 chain plus 1 extra. So I'm just going to be working 18 chain, which is divisible by 6, plus 1 extra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've got my chain divisible by 6, and I'm going to work an extra chain. And we're not going to be using this first chain, the first chain from the hook. It's a turning chain and doesn't count as a stitch. And we're going to be working one single crochet into each chain across. So I'm not using this first chain from the hook. So into the next chain I'm just going to work a single crochet. And into each chain across I'll be working a single crochet. And we'll be working the foundation pattern row on top of the single crochet. And then just one single crochet into the last chain. I'm just going to count my stitches. I started off with making a chain of 18, which is divisible by 6, and then an extra chain. And we didn't use the first chain from the hook because it was a turning chain. So I should have 18 single crochet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Now we're just going to work the foundation pattern row. So I'm going to chain 1, and into the first stitch I'm going to work a single crochet. I'm going to miss one stitch. Into the next stitch I work a single crochet and chain 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch I'm going to be working 3 double crochet, but I'm going to be leaving the last loop of the double crochet on the hook. So 1, 2, 3. So I have 2 full loops on the hook. I'm just going to pull through, and I've made a puff stitch. So we have our single crochet here, our 3 chain, and our 3 double crochet puff stitch. I'm going to miss the next stitch, and into the following stitch I'm going to work a single crochet and chain 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch I'm just going to work 3 double crochet, but I'm leaving the last loop of the double crochet on the hook. So 1, 2 and 3, and I'm just going to pull the loop through all the 4 loops on the hook, and I've made another puff stitch. I'm going to miss the next stitch. Into the following stitch we're just going to repeat 1 single crochet plus 1, 2, 3 chain, and into the following stitch I'm going to work 3 incomplete double crochet, leaving the last loop of the double crochet on the hook, and I now have 2 full loops on the hook. I'm just going to pull through, and we just continue with that till the end of the row. We miss this stitch. Into the next stitch we work our single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and into the next stitch we just work our puff stitch. So 3 incomplete double crochet, leaving the last loop of each double crochet on the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and then just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And I'm going to miss this next stitch, and into the following stitch I work 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and then work my puff stitch into the next stitch. Just an incomplete double crochet, leaving the last loop of the double crochet on the hook. So 1, 2 and 3, and just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. I now have 2 stitches left. I miss 1 stitch, and into the last stitch I work a single crochet, and that's the foundation pattern row. For the pattern row we're just going to chain 1, 2, and into the 3 chain space we're going to work 1 single crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then work our puff stitch. So 1, 2 and 3, and we have our 4 loops on the hook. Just pull through, and we do the same into the next 3 chain space. Single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, and we make our puff stitch. So 1, 2 and 3, leaving the last loop of the double crochet on the hook, and we just pull through all 4 loops, and we just repeat that till the end. So single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and work our puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And that's how it's starting to look. And we just repeat that into the next 3 chain space, 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And we do the same in this 3 chain space, single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and we make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3. Just pull through all 4 loops. I have 1 stitch left, and I'm going to be working a double crochet into that stitch. And this is how it will look on this side, and that's how it looks on the other side. So we just continue with the pattern. So we chain 1, 2 into the 3 chain space. We work 1 single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, and then work our puff stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And we just repeat that till the end. A single crochet into the 3 chain space, then we work 1, 2, 3, chain, and the puff stitch. 2 and 3, and just pull through the 4 loops on the hook. And we just carry on till the end, and that'll be the repeat pattern row, the one row you just repeat throughout. 1, 2, and 3, and then a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then the puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, and then just into the last 3 chain space, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and a puff stitch, 1, 2, and 3. And we're left with our 2 chain, the turning chain. I'm just going to work a double crochet underneath the turning chain. And that's just the 1 row repeat pattern where you have your double crochet and 2 chain, and then you just work your single crochet, 3 chain, and your puff stitch into each 3 chain space, and it's quite a nice, lovely, cuddly blanket pattern. I hope this tutorial's been helpful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.